Hey everyone, in this video I will unbox and review this wireless Bluetooth neckband from Hightage. So with that being said, let's start the video. Now as you can see, this is the box of the neckband, and at the top left side it has this Hightage branding. Now at the right bottom side it has the model number mentioned, which is HBS730. Now it has some specifications mentioned on the box. Now again on the side of the box it has some more specifications, like it has voice prompt, it is sweat proof, it is a sports headset so you can use it while doing sports activity. Also it has noise cancellation. Now at the back of the box it has some product parameters mentioned, which we will talk about in the video. Now let's unbox this and see what we get inside it. So opening up the box, first we get a pair of extra earbuds. Then we have a USB to micro USB charging cable, and at the last we get the neckband itself. So this neckband is available in two color and this one is in black color. Now first let us talk about the physical overview of this neckband. So the neckband is made of complete plastic and it is quite flexible as well. Now if we talk about its earbuds, so these are very small in size and the ear tips are very soft as well. Also they have magnets on their back. Now on the left side of the neckband we have a power on off button to on or off the neckband. Now here we have this micro USB port for charging. Then we have this volume plus and volume minus button to control the volume. Then we get this button to accept or reject calls. Also it has this LED indicator. Now on the other side of the neckband we get two buttons to control the music track. We also have this play and pause button now. And here we get the Hightage branding. Now if we talk about the comfort and fitting of this neckband, so the earbuds fit very well in the ear. Also it is very lightweighted, so you can use this neckband for long hours without any discomfort. Now if we talk about the sound quality of the neckband, so it has 10mm neodymium drivers which produce a loud and clear sound output. The bass is good, vocals are clear, highs and lows are also good. Also you can feel some noise cancellation as well. Overall it has a very well balanced sound output. Now if we talk about some more features of it, so it has Bluetooth version 5.0 which supports fast connectivity. It has a transmission range of 10 meters. Now if we talk about its battery, so it has a 240 mAh battery which takes 2 to 3 hours to fully charge, while the playback time of the neckband is around 18 hours. So overall at its price it offers a lot of good features and you can definitely consider this neckband. So that's it in the video. Thanks for watching.